Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you some of the new features in the Crypto.com app, which you should be aware of. So let's get started. So as you may know, Crypto.com is one of my partners on my YouTube channel. We've been partners for about 2 years now. It's a great platform. It's an iOS-based cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, trade, and hold crypto. But it also has a lot of great additional features as well. One of the most important is the MCO Visa card, where you can spend your crypto in the real world. There's a lot of choices of the types of cards that you can get. So I invite you to check into that. And I've got a great video on getting set up with a Crypto.com account. It's really easy to get signed up and verified so that you can begin purchasing crypto and trading and taking advantage of all these great features. But they're constantly adding new features, and I wanted to bring up a couple of them. One here is that now a new user can get 0% credit and debit card fees for their first 30 days. This basically means that when you purchase Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies using your debit card or credit card, that they will not charge you any fees at all. If you're new to crypto and you want to get your hands on a little Bitcoin or whatever, this is a great way to do it. So I can briefly demonstrate this. Once you get your account set up and you've got it tied to one of your debit or credit cards, and you decide you want to buy a little cryptocurrency, you'll just hit trade at the home screen up there at the top, and then you'll choose buy. And then you have all of these different cryptocurrencies to choose from. I'll choose Bitcoin today. And then you can purchase Bitcoin directly using your debit card. As you can see, I've got mine attached to my account. Now you can edit this field here by tapping where it says 05 and choose how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Right? We'll hit buy BTC. Right, now you'll notice I've had my account for a long time, so I can't really take advantage of this new fee waiving, right? You'll notice there that my fee is $1.03. But when you open a new account, you're going to have all of those fees waived for 30 days. So that's a great new feature. Another great thing that they've got going on right now is a partnership with Booking.com for booking travel reservations. I'm going to put a link to this blog post in the description down below, but I'll briefly show you how it works. It's pretty easy. When you use Booking.com from within the Crypto.com app, you're going to get a 25% discount on your accommodations. And when you use your MCO Visa card to pay for these bookings, you're also going to get 8% cash back. It's a great new program to save you some money on travel accommodations. I'll briefly show you how you access that. You just go down to the bottom there where you've got that little icon for the line. You'll tap that. And then just kind of scroll down a little bit, and there's the Booking.com link where you can just tap that and go straight into Booking.com, book reservations, book hotels, do whatever you need to do. And if you do it from within this app, you're going to get that 25% discount, and you'll also get your 8% cash back when you use your MCO Visa card. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.